Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making shell pearl earrings. It's easy for beginners to make and it also looks elegant and cute. So let's get started. So let's see the materials required. Shell pearl, eye pin, fuse wire, earring hooks, thin chain and pliers. Let's start making our earrings. Cut the thin chain into 1 inch each. You can use a scale to measure the chain. Next, cut the end of the fuse wire and add a pearl. Make a half loop using the round nose plier. And then add the chain we cut earlier. Twist and close the loop next. Repeat the step for 6 pearls. After doing that step, you are going to open the loop of the eye pin and then add the pearls with the chain. I added 3 pearls to an eye pin. Now close the loop of the eye pin next. Add a pearl into the eye pin. Cut the excess eye pin and make a loop so we can add the hook. Add the hook and close the loop. And our earring is ready. Now let's make the other pair. Repeat the same steps as before. Our beautiful pair of earrings are ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Till then, bye bye. I also made a matching bracelet, which is my last video. Go check it out and let me know the feedbacks.